Ahoy there. I am Mappity Bippity Papa, Sippity Poppity Papa, Skippa Poppity Papa, Papa, wow! Magnus Sylvester Wolf, and I'll be reading Commercial Audition Script. Round 1. Read! Life is full of twists and turns. All you really have to do is hold on tight and enjoy the ride. Opportunities don't just happen, you create them. The power to recognize possibilities, to dance like there is no one watching. You're the author of your story. Only you can write each chapter. So be your true, authentic self. Besides, everyone else is already taken. GetMiked.com or else.